Jesus once told a story about a shepherd with 100 sheep.
But one little sheep got lost.
The shepherd didn't forget it. He left the 99 to find the one. He searched through the night, never giving up. Because every sheep mattered to him. When he found it, he rejoiced. Jesus said, "In the same way, heaven rejoices when one lost soul is found." Every soul matters to God.